This video shows how to create a quiz on SkoolPad. So it's very easy. You click on the quizzes tab, you create new, you enter the title of the quiz. In this case, um, biology quiz 1, add a small description. You can select the subject. The subjects are usually preloaded um, based on the institution. Basically, the administrator kind of sets up all the classes for every teacher, and so the teacher has to just go and select the appropriate subjects. In this case, I'm selecting the development and cell biology class. I'm entering the number of questions, and there are the other options which are more in terms of security as well as like timed quizzes, etc. So I'm going to skip that section. We can cover it in a later training video on the usage of these features. There is the add image. Basically, if you want to add different images for different quizzes, which shows as thumbnails, it's a nice feature to have. And then if you this is a selection for due date. So if you want the assignments to be due no later than this date, you can kind of give a due date, and students would not be able to take any quizzes after that date. You can tag, and these are searchable tags that the that users can use to search the quizzes if we exactly don't remember the quiz name or so. So in this case, I'm just going to say cell biology, save and write questions. So we go to the next screen. This is where we actually add the questions. So I'm just going to add two questions to make it simple. And the first question is a text-based question. So I have the question completely in the question box, and then there are multiple options if you actually want to highlight, link. There are different options and indenting and other things that you can actually use in the questions itself. Um, you can say it's a single or a multiple correct options where you have multiple correct answers. You can have multiple correct as a type that you want to use. Points, by default it's one. You can change it to different points as how much you need. You want to put it for that particular question, and the corresponding answers which you actually enter in the options. So I'm having the fourth option, and then the correct answer. You choose the correct answer for that. So in this case, option 4 is the correct one. Embedded and links are basically used when you actually want to embed a video or any HTML widget or anything that you actually want to have interactive questions that you actually want to ask in a quiz. So the teacher has the ability to create whether it's a textual or it can be an interactive embedded quiz or an internet link that you want students to actually refer while actually taking the quiz. You also have the option to attach file. Uh, um, Basically, you can browse file and you can attach it. Um, you have an option to select the question to a question bank, and you even have the ability to tag searchable, put searchable tags by question. So, yes, I'm just giving a tap for remembering. So the first question is saved. You go to the second question, and I'm just um, so the second question I have this is a single correct. I'm changing the number of points, and then I say watch the video to answer. And again, I'm entering the answers for each question. Option one. and choosing the right answer. And here I'm kind of embedding the video, iframe embedded widget that the users will see while answering the question. Again, you have the ability to attach files and searchable tags, and then once you finish the questions, it says you have um, you you see that there are two questions added. There is nobody who has been assigned, and then nobody who has completed the assignment, and the status is unpublished. So if you want to view what the questions you've given, you can go and view the questions that you've given. Make changes if you want anything. You can go and do the edit. And if you want to publish the quiz, then the quiz becomes active to share as well as kind of start. So you can go and search for your class or groups or individually whoever are your individual connections. And in terms of this, I'm just adding it to a particular class, and the quiz is successfully shared to the class. Once you click start on this quiz, the quiz is actually ready to start and students can actually start answering the quiz.